Hi, my name is Phil and a warm welcome to FESTOOL TV. Today I'd like to talk to you about the area of surface finishing. Surface finishing is important to all trade areas, and along here I've got a variety of materials from steel to sprayed finishes, but also timber as well. And all of these will need some form of finishing. And for these type of materials I can use an abrasive from FESTOOL called Vlies. Vlies is available from 100 grit, 320 grit, 800 grit and also 1000 grit. This has an open structure, but also the grits, or the cutting part, is contained within the structure. And this means that while I'm working with this surface, the dust can pass through and it prevents any clogging of the abrasive. Therefore, it allows me to achieve a really great finish quickly and easily with this type of abrasive. The other advantage of using Vlies is the fact that it's a very flexible abrasive as well. So if I'm working on any contoured or shaped components, I can use this abrasive to shape around the component that I'm going to be sanding or refinishing. As soon as I finish though, the abrasive or the Vlies pad will come back to its original flat form as well. I can use the Vlies on this steel here. So there's some rust marks on there. So I can start using the 100 grit Vlies pad onto the surface. And we can quickly and easily start to cut the surface back in preparation for further refinishing. If I'm working with painted materials such as this one here, or sprayed surfaces, I can then use one of the other grits to work with. So with this surface, I can start working with the 800 grit. And because I don't want too many cut lines along here, having a finer abrasive on here is beneficial for any further coats that are going to be applied. And if I wanted a much smoother surface on there, then of course we could use the 1000 grit as well. If I'm working with timber components with some profiles on here or some mouldings, then I can work with the 320 grit. And now we can cut this surface back, especially if timber has been outside in the weather and the elements such as rain. It means that the surface will have raised a little bit, and then we need to cut this surface back. But also, while you're doing this, you're also removing the previous finish as well. And therefore, we can profile the pad along here, and we can work quickly and easily with this type of abrasive. Because of the moulding here, we can then put the abrasive onto the surface, and we can achieve an even cut rate over the whole area that we're working on. So, as you can see, Vlies abrasive from FESTOOL is very flexible, it works extremely quickly, and it's a great material to work with. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next presentation.